Hello friends, welcome back to Analyzing Stock Market. So today we'll be talking about USD JPY pair and we'll do the Forex analysis for 29th September to 3rd October 2025. So let's go straight to a chart. So here I have already opened the chart. So let's now talk about what has happened on Friday on this week. So currently on Friday 0.21% was the negative move. 149.484 was the closing on Friday. So if I talk about what could currently we'll be talking about what could happen in this week, and also I'll be sharing my opinion and important support zone and resistance zone that will help you to take better stop loss and target levels according to your bias, and what could happen in this week according to my analysis and previous week movement. So let's check our weekly chart first over here. So let's open our weekly chart. Here in this weekly chart we can see a good bullish momentum. Here we can see a good bullish candle with a big body and a small upper and lower wick. Currently, if I talk about the stochastic RSI is around overbought levels that is indicating as a negative move. But remember, we should not only look for RSI or other indicators, we should also look for other factors which moves the pair, like any news or important events, and then make a decision according to that data. So now let's mark some important support zone and resistance zone on a 1-day chart. So this is a 1-day chart. Currently, as we can see, we have already marked some levels, but we can see a good new levels that could be helpful for our overall momentum. Currently, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, then do consider subscribing to my channel, because I make such videos, weekly analysis video, that will help you to take better stop loss and target levels according to your bias, and also this will help you to get the details overall at what could happen in the weekly session. So also click on the bell icon and click on the all notifications tab so that you don't miss any videos that I upload during this time. So currently, if I talk about now closing, here 149.484 was the closing. Here the direct support is 149.146 and direct resistance is 149.541. After direct support, there is a support of 140.679 and then 148.232. After direct resistance, there is a resistance of 149.885 and then 150.250. So these are two important support zones and resistance zone that will help you to take better stop loss and target levels according to your bias. Also, if you're from India and thinking that how could I trade forex market from India, then I have already shared two prop firm links in the description. You can open your account from there and get funded. I've also shared 20% discount coupon code that will help you to get 20% off on any challenges that you buy from prop firm number 1. If you don't know what is funded account or prop firm, I have already made a dedicated video on what is prop firm, how it works, and what are the rules that you have to follow to get funding. Everything is available on my Forex playlist. Do consider checking that out as well. So let's now talk about my opinion in USD JPY pair for this week. Currently, if I talk about my expectation, I'm expecting a negative move which is around 149.146 to 148.679. I'm expecting a negative move in this range. Currently, if you are going for any long trade, then only go for long trade if this level, that is 149.541, gets breached and a 1-day candle gets closed above this, then we can go for a long trade till 149.885. If this gets breached and a 1-day candle gets closed above this, then we can see a good bullish momentum till 150.250. Overall, my expectation is a bit negative in this range for this week. What are your expectations? Do let me in the comment section. And if you did like my analysis, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.